and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a Valentine's look for you guys. It's very easy, very simple, so soft look. I think it's very cute and very pinky and soft, so I thought it was really nice to do this kind of look for Valentine's because Valentine is around the corner. It will be Wednesday, that's Valentine's Day, so I thought it would be fun just to do a little video with you guys. I am going to wear this look for Valentine's Day. I'm just trying to give you ideas, any easy look that you're in a rush or something. I feel like this is very easy because you're only going to use 3 shades and that's absolutely it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day with your boyfriend, with your girlfriend, with your family, whoever. Just have a good time. It is Valentine's Day and it's all about love with friends, family, and your boyfriend, girlfriend, and so on. So I am gonna spend my Valentine's Day with my family, so I don't have a boyfriend. I am single. I don't have a boyfriend, so I am gonna be spending time with my family, and I thought it would be really nice just to go with this kind of look. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. My name is Thalia Reyes and welcome to my channel. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoy my video. It's a very soft Valentine look. Nothing too dramatic, just very chill, soft look. So I hope you guys enjoy my video and let's get on to the video, shall we? So I already primed my eyes, I already did my eyebrows off camera. And the palette I'm going to be using is my Sweet Peach palette. I know I've been using this lately. I'm so obsessed with this palette so much, guys. It's been so good to me lately. And I already primed my eyes. I used the Maybelline concealer in Fair. So the first color I'm going to be going is with Georgia. It's this color right here. So the look I'm going to be going for is a very soft look, like a very soft Valentine look. I don't want it to be very dramatic, and yeah, so you're gonna keep going as your transition shade. You don't want it to go very high. So I totally forgot to add tape, so I just added. So I'm just gonna go back with Georgia, and then I'm just gonna blend everything out. I do want that very sharp edge on the ends, so I just want it to look very nice, very soft, but also very professional kind of look. And since I'm wearing a white top and a soft eyeshadow look, will be very good combination. So I'm just gonna keep blending. So the next shade I'm gonna go over is Canadian Peach, which is this color right here. And this one has a very sparkle, pinkish, cute shade. And I'm just going to tap everything out. This one, same thing. I'm just going to go over as my transition shade just to get that darkness. And yeah. So just keep going back and forth. And honestly, guys, this is very an easy look. It's so simple but so cute. So going back to the first brush I used, I'm just gonna go over with Georgia, and I'm just gonna blend everything out. That way the harsh line can like disappear, because I don't want it to be like way too much going on. Like I said, I want to go very a soft look. Using this brush right here, and I'm actually going to spray my brush. And I'm actually going to take Neck Gear, this shade right here. And with this color, I'm just going to add it on my bottom lid. Where I'm pretty sure there's like a line. You're just going to apply it all over. You don't want to go over the top, just on your lid. and then you're just gonna go right at the end. Just keep applying. I'm gonna go over with Night Gear as well, and this one I'm just gonna apply on top of my brow bone just to give that some kind of glow and, you know, a little pop-up shimmer. Okay, so I think that is it that I'm gonna be going for. I'm just gonna go back with Georgia and just gonna blend everything out. That way there won't be any more harsh lines. And there, that's all I'm gonna use, with just 2 shadows, 3 shadows actually. That's pretty much it for a very soft eyeshadow look. And I'm just gonna remove this, and there you go. So I'm just gonna come back and finish the other eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, I did try to apply lashes, but that was one huge epic fail. It was difficult to apply them. Like I said, it's my first time applying lashes and it was a struggle. My idea was to wear lashes because I didn't want to use eyeliner, so obviously that didn't turn out so well. So I'm just gonna apply mascara without eyeliner. So I'm gonna be using my Ulta Beauty Maximum Lashes, and this one is jet black, and I really love this mascara so much, guys. It's really amazing. It gives very long lashes. So if you guys have any tips how to apply lashes, it's really helpful what to do first, step by step, please leave a comment down below because I do need help applying lashes. So my idea was to wear lashes for this kind of look, but obviously it did not turn out so well, so maybe not. For the face, I'm going to be using my Maybelline foundation. This one is Porcelain, and I'm gonna add like 2 pumps on my hand. And then I am going to spray my sponge because I do want this very... I'm just gonna apply foundation on my face. I wanted to wear lashes so bad, guys, but it wasn't turning out good with the lashes. So maybe next time. Or maybe I'm just gonna practice, try to apply it. See, hopefully, because I do want to wear lashes so badly, and I know lashes makes a huge difference. But yeah, so I'm just gonna use my beauty sponge to blend everything out. And just keep on blending. I feel like when you spray your sponge, it does feel very nice. And it makes it much easier to blend it out. I don't know, it's just me, I guess, but I'm just saying. Just gonna blend my forehead as well, just to give it. I am going to be using my L.A. Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is the shade Porcelain as well. It looks so white, guys. And just gonna apply it under my eye. Same thing with the other side. And then I am going to apply it on my chin. Then I am going to apply it on my nose. Oop, that's a very cricket. oh well. And then on top of my forehead, the same sponge, I'm just gonna blend everything out. Just keep on blending. I'm very upset because I wanted to use the lashes so badly for this look. Just want it to be very soft and glamorous, you know, not too much going on, but also you want to look cute and out there, just showing yourself out, but oh well. Same thing with the other eye, you're just gonna blend that out. To set my under eyes, I am going to be using my Rimmel Linden pressed powder, and this one is transparent. And I'm just gonna set everything, my chin, my nose, and my forehead, and under my eye bags. And for bronzer, I finally got my hands on it, guys. Everyone been talking about this product so much, how amazing it is, and it does the job, and it's just absolutely amazing. This one is the Butter Bronzer, and I'm so excited. I think I got in the shade Light, but this is how it looks like, and it just looks so pretty, guys. Just look at that. And it's this thing, but obviously I'm not going to use that. So I'm going to be using this Butter Bronzer. I'm just gonna apply not too much because, like I said, I just want it to be very simple and, you know, a little bit glamorous here and there, but so and then whatever's on the brush, I'm just gonna contour, bronze the top of my forehead, just whatever's on the brush, because I do have a tiny forehead and I just don't want to go over the board, you know. Probably my nose too, just to give it a little sun. And then my jawline. Why not? It's just whatever's in this brush, that's all I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna tap anymore, nothing like that, just, you know, just like that. So next I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild blush, and this one is Apricot-in-the-Middle. And I'm just gonna apply it as my blush. So next, I'm going to be going back with my Sweet Peach palette, and I'm just going to go back with Canadian Peach. Canadian Peach, I'm just going to apply it under my lash line, just to give that kind of like pop-up look. Same thing with the other eye. And going back with Nicure, I'm just going to apply it in my inner corner just to give that kind of like pop-up look. And I'm just going to add mascara on my bottom lashes. And then for highlighter, I'm just going to use my Tarte highlighter. And this one is Expose Highlight. Just gonna apply it on my nose, down the bridge, chin, and then right here as well. Probably like on my forehead, just to give that kind of like sparkle look as well. For lips, I wanted to go with something more lighter, more like a nude lip, because I do want it to be very simple. And I'm gonna be using my Ulta lipstick, and this one is Coffee Break, and it's just absolutely gorgeous, very nudie shade. I just really like this so much, guys. So I'm just gonna apply it on my lips. Next, I'm going to be using my Innocence lip gloss shine, and this one is the shade Nude Candy, which is a very like pinky nudie. I thought it was like really nice, but when you apply it on your lipstick, I feel like it's a great combination. So yeah, sorry I can't talk, guys. And just gonna keep applying. And then when you apply it, it gives you this soft pink tone. To set my face, I'm going to be using my E.L.F. Makeup Mist and Set. So this is the final look, guys. I really like how this turned out. It's very pinky, very soft for Valentine's Day. The only problem is I wanted to apply my lashes, but obviously that didn't work out. So I tried so many times to apply them off the camera, and it did not turn out so great at all. I'm very upset. But if you guys have any tips how to apply lashes, I really do appreciate that, because I do need help applying lashes. Either way, this is the look for Valentine's Day. I really like how it turned out. It's very pinky, and it also has this gold shimmer in it, just the pop-up look. Also with a very nudie pink color as well. I didn't want to go very too dramatic for Valentine's Day, because I am going with my family out. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That will mean the world to me. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.